This video is on posting to the discussion forum in MyCC. As you come into MyCC, you'll quite often see a posting with some questions from your faculty member, and you need to press reply to reply to it. You don't want to do your own posting. And when you click on reply, it brings up a box where you can post your what you've written. A lot of times we like to write it over a Microsoft Word, and so I have a Word file here to look at, and just paste it in. And so if I do select all of the material on that particular page, and I go up here and I copy that material, then what I'd like to do is be able to go ahead and drop it into my posting here in the discussion forum. And when I do that, I paste it in, but it doesn't always cooperate. So this case, it doesn't come out looking quite the way I had intended it to. Sometimes it's very difficult to get the posting when you do it this way to come out as you prefer. And part of the reason for that is many hidden codes in Microsoft. So I'm going to, at the bottom of my posting here, I'm going to click on HTML. I don't want you to have to learn HTML, but you can see that Microsoft had lots of extra stuff in it before we ever got down to the writing portion of what was being submitted. So all of this junk up at the top is in the file, and it sometimes makes it difficult to work with. So what I found is to clear that out so that it's much easier to do your posting in the first place. Let's see. So if I were coming in to do my posting, I would turn it on. It comes up normal, and I'm going to shift it to HTML. And I'm going to paste all of my work directly in there. So instead of pasting into normal, I paste it into there. What that does in turn is it removes all of the formatting special marks. All the hidden marks are removed. So now when I come in, I'm looking at a file that has no marks at all remaining. So straightening things out and making sure I can format becomes a lot simpler problem, because the formatting isn't being biased by things that were entered into the as hidden codes. So I go through and decide how I want to see this. It does take a little bit of extra formatting to get it to work out, because I've removed all the formatting. And so I have a couple of paragraphs there. And I'll just go ahead and show you how this works. If you need to put bullets back in, because you had bullets before, because it's going to take out the bullets and paragraphs and everything. So once I have completed this, I highlight the section that needs to have bullets and make sure that it is separated from the section above by at least one line, and I put bullets down there. And again, you need to see how it turned out, but looks like we're okay there. Looks like I got one extra bullet at the bottom that I don't want, so I'm going to take that off with the backspace. And now when I save it, that posting will come up and be formatted the way I want it to, and not biased by all those hidden codes. So there's the posting I just did. Hopefully that'll help you. Again, remember, reply, not post on your own unless you're asked specifically to do a separate posting. One last note here is I noticed a lot of the faculty, or a lot of the students in this particular class have quoted everything that was said before them. To turn that quoting off, if you go up to the top, and you only have to do this once in the discussion forum and it stays for all postings, you click on View and Reply options, and you want to uncheck, normally it comes up like this, you want to uncheck the auto quote and check on Show My Photo. And I usually set it on 15 messages and discussion. Discussion means discussion thread. Chronological would give you the postings in date order. And once you save that, then when you do a posting, it will not quote all the material that went ahead of it. Thank you.